Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to claim your YouTube official artist channel profile. So if you don't know what your YouTube official artist channel looks like, this is what a YouTube official artist channel looks like. So basically you can see right here that this is my own YouTube official artist channel profile. You can see right here that you're going to be seeing all your latest music right here basically. So if you actually click on the release section right here, you'll be able to see all the music you have released right here on YouTube. So and again, you're also going to be having this verified YouTube logo right here at the right corner right here. So basically, in order for you to claim your YouTube official artist channel profile, you need a music distribution company. So basically, you could actually just head over to your music distribution company, either be DistroKid, TuneCode, Nation Data Distribution, any other music distribution platform you're using. You need to actually head over to the website, or you could actually just chat their customer support and tell them that you want to claim your YouTube official artist channel profile. But for me, basically, the platform I use in claiming my YouTube official artist profile is Nation Digital Distribution. So basically, all you need to do is to just log into your dashboard. You can see right here that this is how my dashboard looks like. So what you need to do is to just scroll down a bit right here. Then you're going to see where it says official artist channel. So you just click on where it says claim right here. So once you click on where it says claim right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. So they're going to ask you to fill in your email address, your email password, and also your artist name, your country, then your YouTube channel link. So basically, the channel link you're going to be putting right here must not be your topic channel. So basically we are trying to claim our topic channel. So let me show you what the topic channel looks like. This is what a claim topic channel looks like. So if you're going to be claiming your YouTube official channel, which is your topic channel right here, you need to actually create another YouTube channel. So you need to create a user-generated YouTube channel on your account. So you could actually do this by actually creating one using your Gmail. So if you actually click on your profile right here, then you're gonna see where it says Gmail right here. So you could actually use another Gmail to create your profile right here. So what you need to do is just click on where it says create YouTube channel. So once you actually click on where it says create YouTube channel, you need to actually copy the link of that YouTube channel that you created, and you need to head over to your music distribution company. Then you're going to be submitting the link. So another thing you should also know, that if you're going to be claiming your YouTube channel profile right here, your artist name must match the account on the YouTube channel you created. So basically, if you're going to be creating a user generated YouTube channel, you need to make sure that the artist name is as the same on your artist name on Spotify, Apple Music, and on other social media platform. So the artist name must actually matches the user generated YouTube channel that you are creating. So basically, if you don't know what a user generated YouTube channel is, let me quickly show you guys how it looks like. I'm actually logging into one of my YouTube accounts right here. You can see right here that this email does not have a YouTube channel. So you can see right here it says I should create a new YouTube channel. So if I click on where it says create right here, it's going to take me straight to this page right here. So what we are going to do right here is you need to make sure that the name right here on this channel is going to be matching on the handle you are going to be creating. So basically, this name must also tally with the name on your Spotify, on your Apple Music, and other digital streaming platforms. So what you need to do right here is just put in your artist name right here. Then you're also going to be putting in your artist name as the handle right here. Then once you're done with that, you're going to click on where it says create channel. So once you actually click on where it says create channel, this is how it's going to look like. So basically, once you already created a user generated channel, this is how it's going to look like. It's right here that this channel right here is literally empty. So this is what we call a user generated channel. So what you need to do right here is you need to copy link to this user generated channel right here. So you're gonna just click on where it says share link right here. Then you're gonna click on copy right here. Then you're gonna head over to your music distribution company. For me personally, I'm actually using Nation Digital Distribution. So you can see right here that says do not provide your topic channel link. So what we are gonna do is just gonna be clicking on paste our user generated YouTube channel. Right, what we're gonna do right here is they are gonna match your user generated channel with your topic channel together. So both of them is gonna turn a YouTube official channel profile, which is gonna look like this. So basically, once the channel has been claimed right here, it's going to look like this. You can see right here that everything is actually matched together, both our user generated YouTube channel and also our topic channel are actually linked together. So basically, if you know you're finding any value from the video so far to this point, please do well to actually give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. But if you know you want to ask me any question regarding this, you could actually just drop your comments in the comment section below, and I'm going to be replying to all your questions. So if you know you don't understand what I'm trying to say, you could actually also leave your comment in the video description, and I'm going to be replying to all your comments. Basically, once you're done pasting the link right here, you could also put in your Vivo channel link if applicable, but it's not actually necessary. So you could right here that says it's optional. So once you're done filling out all this information right here, all you need to do is just click on where it says submit. So once you actually click on where it says submit right here, their customer support is going to get back to you. So another thing you need to know right here in order for you to claim your YouTube official channel profile, if you're going to be claiming your YouTube official channel profile using Nation Digital Distribution, you need to make sure you are actually subscribed to their basic plan. So basically their basic plan actually costs $20 right here. So you need to actually make sure you're actually subscribed to their basic plan. You can see right here that their basic plan is going to cost you $20, and also you need to make sure you have actually distributed at least 2 to 5 music with Nation Data Distribution for you to be able to claim your YouTube official channel profile. So you can see right here that like I already have a premium account on Nation Data Distribution because I'm actually on their label plan right here. So you can see right here that I can actually distribute music basically with the platform right here. So I can actually distribute singles, EP, and all of that right here with the platform. So in order for you to claim your YouTube official channel profile, you need to make sure you actually have a yearly plan on the platform for you to be able to claim your YouTube official channel profile. And guys, please, if you know you haven't smashed that subscribe button yet, like what are you waiting for? Please do well to actually give the video a like, and also forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So once you are done claiming your YouTube official channel profile, you'll be able to see your analytics right here. So you could actually just head over to your Apple Play Store or your Google Play Store. Then you need to actually download the YouTube Studio basically. So you can see right here on the YouTube Studio app right here. So I'm going to be switching to my artist channel right here, which is my artist YouTube for artist profile right here. You can see right here that this is how it's going to look like in the inside. So you'll be able to see all the analytics of how your music is performing on YouTube. And also if you're actually into the YouTube partnership program, you'll be able to see how much your music have earned on YouTube basically. So if you know you want me to create a video about YouTube partnership program, all I want you to do right here is to go down to the comment section and type in yes. So if I see a lot of people commenting on the video, I'm going to be creating a separate video explaining how you could actually monetize your YouTube channel as an artist. So basically you can see right here, you can see all the analytics. So you can see currently my music right here are not getting streams on YouTube, and this is because I've not been promoting my song right here on YouTube. And again, I actually took down one of my biggest song right here on YouTube due to because I had to like switch my genre to another genre, but this is another story I'm going to be telling you guys later on in my other video. So basically this is what you need to know about your YouTube official channel profile. So basically the good thing about claiming your YouTube official channel profile is that you'll be able to monitor your stats, you'll be able to monitor how your music is performing, your gender, the geographic location, like basically who are the people streaming your music. So you can also see right here, YouTube also has the partnership program, which is what I was talking about earlier. So basically you need to actually meet up at least 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers for you to be accepted into the YouTube partnership program. But I'm going to be creating a video on that. But if you know you want me to actually drop the video soon, do well to actually go to the comment section and actually type in yes, drop the video. And if I see a lot of people commenting on the video, I'm going to be dropping the video itself. If you know you found the video helpful, please do well to actually give the video a like, and also forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. And also if you know you want to actually claim your YouTube channel using Nation Data Distribution, I'm going to be leaving the link to the website in the video description, so you can actually just do well to actually go sign up with the platform right here, distribute your music, and you'll be able to claim your YouTube for artist channel profile. As if you know you want to learn more ways about music distribution or music marketing, I'm going to advise you actually click on the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.